Čaute, vítajte. Kde sme skončili? Zničili sme ten tábor. Ja som si po ceste pobral nejaké tie srandy, nech máme achievementy. A môžeme hneď pokračovať aj na ďalšiu dejovú. Po tej minulej časti som strašne zvedavý, či Sarah bude žiť alebo nie. A ešte by som chcel... Kde ich vidíš?
I smell a nest. Gotta be right here.
Ukáž, tak sa pozrieme, či sú to niekde.
More bounties.
No, ukludnili ste sa, či ešte? Čo, si vyrovnal chrbát? Tuto na psa sa hral. To ten neže?
Okay. Now where is it? God damn nest. That's gotta be close. Another nest. Burn it down.
3 údery, tak toto nie je také silné. Akurát sa mi to aj dodrbkalo. Z ktorej strany mám zničiť ten nest? Ty kokos, jak vybehli.
Almost out.
Dúfam, že... Mám si ešte jeden život a asi si craftnem ďalšie. Takže máme tu 2 nesty z 5. No ostatné uvidíme, kedy nájdeme. Dobre vedieť, že na šupu sa dajú takto... Á, tu sa musím rozbehnúť asi. No, akože je tam benzínka, ale pochybujem, že... Teda dúfam, že sa tam bude dať natankovať. Ja už mám nitro, že? Koľko palacinky.
Alright, where are you hiding? You gotta be here somewhere. I would need water. Maybe down by the creek. Gotta look around. Muddy tracks. Kid size, women's. Oh, fuck, Boozer would know. Gotta be hers. This must be where she comes to get water. Yeah, you come here for water every day, don't you? But you move cautiously. You don't stick around long. Good for you.
Kto to je? Nie, že na mňa moc je blízko tá kamera, určite nám na vyskočí.
Smart girl. Stay off the street. Only come out at night when the freakers are out, but she'd be harder to see.
Sú tie...
You fucking rippers, none of you are getting out of here alive.
Kde sú? To je zombík, alebo... Poď sem. Jeden by bol. Idem okolo... O, a tam je ďalší. Zbadali ma? Vyzerá to tak, že áno, že?
You will be free, brother. He's not moving. Get him. You seek the path. What's he doing? Ah, he shot me. Move!
Nie. Erko.
Here you go.
No vykukni. Hop. Jaký som slepý. Kukuk. Dúfam, že nie teba hľadám, ale asi by sa te nedalo zabiť.
Don't mind if I do.
Ešte, keď už som tu...
Gotta reload.
Wop. Čo sa stalo? Ja aj snajper. Rýchlo sa schovaj. Zbierame si náboje. Dá sa ísť hore za ním. Dobre. Ale dole je tu ten... táto sranda, čo zvyknem pozbierať. Teda neviem, či je na to achievement, ale zvyknem to zbierať. No, len pekné, poď bližšie. Sám si? Nie, dvaja alebo traja. Nie sú tam zombíci. Kuk. Bože, aký som kúrnik. Nehoď to, tam nech ti to buchne pod nohami. Tak. Nie, ďalší, však ja už nemám náboje. Neplatí, počkaj, zbieram. Jaj, schovaj sa už. No ja som dobre slepý. Kde sú tí ďalší? Wow. Dobre, ešte dvaja a mám... Tamto mám raz, dva, tri. A došli mi náboje. Došli ďalší motorkári. Čo tu mám vlastne robiť? Au. Dobre, 2 náboje a koľko? 3 do... Jak to? Ty môj. Prečo tak rozprávaš, jak keby?
Moving back. I need covering fire. You see, he shot me.
Hotovo. Dobre, pár ich tu bolo.
House is sealed up. How she get in and out?
A teraz... Som úplne, že bez týchto, že? A niečo málo som si nafarmil aspoň. Dobre, a...
Ladder. This is it.
Počkaj, to je takéto veci tu mám robiť, jak v Last of Us.
Just gotta set it here. Alright, kid.
Dobre, nemusím hľadať, že kam to mám dať. Chcel som pobrať veci.
Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. Are you alone? Is there anyone else with you? Oh man. Okay. Is this your room? It's really great. Are these yours?
No.
Lisa.
That's mine. This one's for gymnastics. I should have won first place, but Missy King, she cheated.
Lisa. Lisa, you hear the gunshots outside? It's not safe here.
I was at school. And my mom called me and told me to come home right away and not stop, and they would be here waiting for me and we would leave together, and I got here and there was a note that said they left with some men, and I didn't know what to do, so I hid. I didn't know what to do.
It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Lisa, not far from here, there's a camp. And you really ought to let me take you there.
No.
There are people there. There are people, I know them. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a work camp, and to eat you have to work. Life is gonna be hard, but at least you ain't gonna starve.
No, my mom's coming here for me.
Okay, is this your mommy? Well, you said she didn't come home, right? So, maybe she's at the camp.
Mom is at the camp? She is. I know she is.
Okay. Stay close.
The men with the guns. Are they still out there?
No, we don't gotta worry about them.
No, pustím hrať. Počkaj,
Okay.
bez nábojov mám.
Lots of sick people.
Počkaj, ja si potrebujem doplniť zásoby. Moja motorka je ďaleko. To je ona, to je ona.
Oh no. Look out.
Nemám toľko nábojov, lebo vidím, že aj tam hore sú ďalší. Potrebujem si ich zbaviť pomaly.
Look out.
Teda po jednom, nie pomaly. OK, tak to som práve pokazil.
The hell off her!
We shouldn't be out here.
Už. A dobre, môžeme používať ako návnadu. Asi. Neviem, koľko vydrží.
We should go.
Hneď pôjdeme, len ešte tuto si skúsim pobrať nejaké. A oni nemajú asi nič také zaujímavé. Kam musím ísť k motorke asi, že? Prečo som ju nechal tak ďaleko? Dvaja. Pôjdeme. Dobre, to, o toho druhého sa už postaráme. Dobre, tam sú tiež dvaja. A motorku už mám pomerne blízko, ak si dobre pamätám. Dvaja, to by sme mohli zvládnuť. Kúrnik. Akurát vybehlo to Erko. Najhoršie je, že mám 36% benzínu, takže... Ale, počkaj. Fuj, to je... Aha, je to benzínka, dobre. Kokos, medveď.
Time to burn. Wait.
Hej, Ečko. Au. To je iný preživší. Koľko vydrží? Zbytočne prilákam ďalších. Rýchlo život. Viem z teba niečo zobrať.
Come on.
No rýchlo, nabij. Zobral som z neho tú srst. Alebo ma vyrušili. Asi áno, keď je taký otvorený. Kokos bez nábojov. Lisa, mám ísť k tebe? Oh, wow.
Have you ridden before?
No.
No poď, dotankujeme.
Just climb on behind me. Hang on tight.
No poď už.
Hey, what's your name?
Deacon. My name's Deacon. Lisa, how did you live out here alone for all this time?
Neviem natankovať. Keď teraz...
You don't talk much, do you?
Asi mám teraz neobmedzenú nádrž, že by.
Thunder eggs. What is...
They're rocks, but when you cut them open, they're really pretty inside.
Okay, that sounds great.
We used to go all over. Belknap Crater, the lava flow and Black Crater, everywhere. Do you think he's at the camp too?
I don't know, kid. Shit, someone's in the tunnel.
What?
Here, hop off.
What are we doing?
Listen to me. The gunshots that you heard, those were really bad men. Do you understand?
I got him! Oh, hey. Grab cover!
Kde ste?
See you running around. Right cover! Yeah, run at it! I'm here! Get down! Hit him down! I'm moving back!
Si sám? Nie.
Cover me! They got him! They got him!
Do čoho som zobral náboje? Výborne. O! Počkaj, poberem nejaké náboje. Dúfam, že si posledný. A
I gotcha, stupid drifter.
ty si istá? Výborne.
Lisa! Kid! Come on out, it's safe!
Dá sa dať. Pripravená?
Are you okay?
Yeah. I think I want to go home.
Nah, kid, the camp. You'll be safe there, you'll see.
Okay.
A ja sa
I'm
teším
gonna
už.
ask you a question, Lisa, and I need you to think real hard. Did any of your neighbors, did they own any firearms, you know, like pistols, rifles, things like that?
No. Men came and took everything.
Men! Were they like the men in the tunnel, or did they wear uniforms like in the army?
Like the army. But they were really dirty, and they carried flags they made themselves. Deschutes County Militia, I think. I don't remember.
Did they have anyone with them? Women? Children?
I don't remember.
Okay.
Tommy would remember.
Tommy?
Tommy Strickland. My best friend. But he's gone. He left with his dad to hide.
Hide? I don't...
His dad built a fallout shelter and put all kinds of stuff in it. Maps, food, water, guns, you know. Stuff like that.
Okay, do you know where that is?
No. They wanted me to come with them, but I knew my mom and dad would come back for me.
All right, this is it. We're here, so just stay with me.
Okay.
OK.
Well, who do we have here?
Mrs. Tucker!
Oh my God. Lisa, honey. Oh, it's okay. You're safe now.
Mom and Dad and everyone got sick and I didn't know what to do and men came and people got sick and...
It's okay. You're safe now. It's a miracle. It's a goddamn miracle. We were neighbors, weren't we, Lisa? I lived just down the block. I knew her parents.
Are they here, Mrs. Tucker?
Honey, you know the answer to that.
No. They're not here.
Let's go in. Get you cleaned up. Something to eat, and then I'll find a place for you to sleep. Take her in. Give her some food. Go see Alkai. I'll update your credits tonight.
Hey, listen, she's been through a lot. Can we just...
Let me worry
take it
about
easy?
how I'm
No,
gonna...
listen to me, okay? Seriously, don't work her like you do everyone else.
Don't tell me how to run my camp. You want to move here? You want to help us run this? Then maybe you get some say. Don't get soft on me, Deke.
Som chcel povedať, že možno nebude taká, ale pravdepodobne áno. Také predtým, ako pôjdeme za ním, určite si chcem opraviť a dotankovať motorku. A určite si chcem doplniť náboje. Dodáme si tento sidequest. Natankované, náboje doplnené. Ukáž, aké spomienky budeme mať teraz.
Hey, me again. Boozer says that I shouldn't come up here anymore. He keeps asking me what good's it do, and maybe he's right, I don't know. He got hurt pretty bad the other day. We ran into some rippers who burned the hell out of his arm, and it looks pretty bad. I broke into one of those, what the hell do you call them? The mobile medical units. I mean, I got him sterile bandages. And I hope it's enough, you know? But Boozer, you know, he says he's fine, but I don't think so. Shit looks pretty bad to me. See, the thing is, it was on me. I risked his life for a bike part. Goddamn bike part. Not that it mattered. The son of a bitch Copeland parted it out anyway. Took me a year to put that bike together. You would have liked it. It's not as nice as the one that I taught you to ride on, but it got me around. You remember that tank that you had painted for me? Oh, that was the only thing left of that old hog, and now it's gone too. As soon as we get it back together, my bike, and get Boozer patched up, we're gonna ride north. Fresh start. You know, a lot of memories around here. Too many. Anyway, I guess I'm just saying that, I might not see you again, you know?
Ty kokos, toto sa reálne, že dá zabiť? Počkaj, oni povedali, že majú pre nás quest aj tak, takže môžeme sa tu zastaviť.
Deke, I need you to go after someone.
Go after someone. Okay, what's going on?
Right after you brought in that girl, Lisa, Larson brings in another one. Name was Rose Allen, a weak little thing. But we figured she could pull her own weight, help us get this irrigation ditch done.
Okay, so what do you need?
She's gone. She went on a supply run with Alki, some others, up to that abandoned Nero refugee camp. You know the one, I think you've been up there before.
Yeah, I know the one.
Find her, Deke. There's been a bunch of drifters and squatters spotted up that way. If they find her first.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna see what I can do.
Ideme podľa toho, čo najbližšie. Asi ma najviac zaujíma toto. Nech sa to naučíme. Ideme sa naučiť loviť srnky. Počkaj, to nie je jeho kemp.
So, you want to learn how to hunt? Is that what I'm hearing?
I know how to shoot a gun.
It's a rifle, not a gun.
I was in the 10th Mountain Cope. Don't give me any Marine Corps bullshit.
Killing a buck's a little different than killing a man. Or a freak. Best way to hunt an animal is to track it. You gotta focus. And see what nature's trying to tell you. If you look hard enough, you'll see the signs.
Keď dorobený tento. Ideme. Nemôžem šprintovať. Aha, hovienko.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I can see that.
Aha, tam je dole. Čo, ten ide za mnou?
There's your buck.
Ty mi hovoríš,
I
Quick.
see him.
Now here, use my rifle. If you were in the 10th mountain, you know how to use a scope.
Yeah, Cope, I know how to use a scope.
Easy, easy.
I got this.
Got him. Nice shot.
Čo?
Oh, God damn it, it wasn't a kill shot. He got away.
Oh no, that's okay. You wounded him. He'll bleed out soon. You just gotta track him.
Okay.
See the blood spots? Look
Som sa tešil, že pekne akurát zdvihla hlavu.
and follow him.
On it.
He'll be slowing down about now. Losing too much blood. We should be coming across his carcass any time now.
To je jelen, či čo to je?
Yeah, look. Cope, Boozer and I have been hunting before. He used to go elk hunting with his old man, and yeah, he showed me how to gut a deer.
Well, let's just say, no disrespect to Boozer, but you got a lot to learn. You're wasting a lot of meat there. Overall, not bad for a beginner.
Yeah, thanks.
Now, I'll take back that rifle.
Here, thanks.
Like I said, Deke, we can always use more venison at the camp. Still got some folks trying to heal up from that Ripper attack.
Okay, Cope. Yeah, I'll see if I can remember that.
Dobre, ideme, dáme si ešte jednu misiu. Ktorú? Počkaj, zoberieme toto. Až 100 rokov som nebol za ním. Servus, brate. No. Počkaj, toto musím asi zrušiť.
Yeah, Cope, not today. Not in the mood for your truth or bullshit.
Presne tak. Nesol som ti mesko.
Man, I brought in some meat. Should keep us stocked up for a while.
Hey, Deke, thanks, man. I'm not real hungry right now. I'll salt it up in a bit.
Teraz kam idem za tým O'Brienom? Nedával som pozor, za ktorý quest idem spraviť. A vlastne to je jedno, čo ideme spraviť. Každopádne sme tu.
Longer we gonna be out here? We're just getting started, so pull your jets, okay? Let me get back to work.
O'Brien, this has gotta be it.
Stretneme sa s ním. Počkaj, infiltrate, normálne mám ísť tam, mám tam nabehnúť a pozabíjať ich, alebo čo?
Hey, Doc, how long before your job's done?
I'm not the doctor, I keep telling you that.
Slepý debil.
How long are we gonna be here?
I thought I saw something on our approach. I wanna check it out.
Yeah.
Probably nothing. Fresh carrying, maybe.
Okay, Doc. Lieutenant. But become carrying yourself.
Yeah. Animals gonna come carry Norman, not humans. Fuck was that? You guys checked the perimeter, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
What was that? You hear that?
Anyone else hear that? Lieutenant O'Brien, field note 2006. On approach to the landing site, I observed a large swarm of insects, probably Demonis atratus or Pantera, in a clearing well away from our designated target. From that distance, I could not discern what was attracting the insects, but from the size of the swarm, recent carrion has indicated should be just over here.
Počkaj, tak niekam sa schovám. Viem sa tam schovať? Pardon. Teraz mám ho počúvať, alebo mám ísť k nemu?
Look at it this way, you poor son of a bitch. At least you weren't torn apart by freaks. If you lived a few more weeks, you might have become one yourself. Now, what had happened? Something. What do you want? Stay back.
I just want to talk.
Nero Protocol 2-7 states clearly that if conducting operations in quarantine zones, that if I encounter any civilians or civilians, that I'm forbidden from making contact.
Really? See, that sounded to me like making contact.
Yes. Yes, it did.
You're alive.
Yes. I am.
How? How are you alive,
What?
O'Brien?
I don't understand.
Okay. You were there. That night. Farewell. The next night,
Nero
camp.
Protocol 2-7 states.
Everyone was dead. They were slaughtered. Torn limb for goddamn limb. All right, listen up. We're going to do this the easy way or the hard way. The easy way, we have a little chat. You give me the information that I need, and then you go back to digging your way through freaker shit or whatever the hell else you're doing out here. The hard way. I crack open that little spacesuit, and then we see what your friends out there have to say about you breathing in all this contaminated air. So what's it going to be, O'Brien?
Yes. Okay. Okay.
You remember the rooftop of the old brewery. I put a woman on your chopper. She was wounded.
Yes. I remember. A knife wound. She was cut pretty bad.
I went to the refugee camp that you said you were taking her to. Everyone was dead, so I'm going to ask you again. How did you survive?
We weren't there. We were diverted south to another camp. Like you said, the camp in Belknap was overrun, so they moved us south to a camp outside of Silver Lake.
Were there survivors?
You mean now? I don't know. I was transferred to the research unit.
Did she survive?
Oh, wait. I can find out. I can check. You have one of our radios. That's how you... I can't promise anything, but I'll check.
And I'm gonna go with you.
No, you can't. Please, you don't... Hey, you don't understand. I'll fucking shoot you.
Not before I shoot you.
Okay, look, if you're gonna fucking kill me, do it, okay? I did my job. Did the woman your wife? I put her on oxygen. I gave her an IV. I kept her alive. I got in a lot of trouble for that. She was septic. She wasn't gonna make it, but I got her to the MASH unit. I saved her goddamn life.
O'Brien, report.
I have to go. Please, you have to get out of here. You don't know these men. You don't know what they're capable of.
If I don't hear from you, I don't care how long it takes. I'm gonna track you down. And I'm gonna do a lot worse than snap off an antenna.
I'm sorry about your wife. But you're not the only one who lost someone that night.
Tak žije alebo ne? Ja chcem vedieť, či žije.
O'Brien, he's alive. How the hell is he alive? They were diverted south. He said that he put her on oxygen, he gave her an IV, he kept her alive. She was septic, so she wasn't gonna make it, but he got her to a MASH unit. He saved her life. He said it. He said he saved her life. She can still be. No. But O'Brien is alive. And if he is, then maybe...
Uvidíme. Nespravíme toto, keď som tu. 2 kempy mi to chýbajú. Idem si pre motorku a...
Man, a few days ago, I asked you if you remembered that Nero asshole O'Brien.
Yeah, Deke, it's all kind of a blur.
Yeah, okay. Get some shut-eye, Boozman. I'll tell you about it later.
When are we riding out of here, Deke?
Soon, Boozer. Real soon. Look, as soon as your arm heals, we're gonna be riding the hell out of here.
Yeah, Deke. Okay.
Can you use this? Are you out there? O'Brien! Oh, you son of a bitch, you better radio me. You hear me, O'Brien?
Tak teraz si sa s ním stretol, už mu aj vyvolávaš.
You better get back to me, or I'm going to track you down. You got that?
Ale no, nebuď taký agresívny.
Come on, Brian! Get back to me.
Wow.
I don't need to find any peace. I gotta go, alright? Deacon out.
Kúrnik, ja že zrazím tohto. Odkoč. Počkaj, Ečko. Moment. Labi. Počkaj, nechcem teraz zomrieť. Nevadí, náboje si dokúpim, len... Počujem ľudí, ale nechcem sa s nimi stretnúť. Kde? Kto? Len nejaký ženský hlas. Napadnete ma? Neviem, ako mám nájsť tie... No. Ten východ je úplne upchatý, takže ja tady tam neprejdem. Nejaká iná cesta von? S 50 nábojmi sa ako zbavím takejto hordy? No ja to risknem. Keď dal som si checkpoint, dal. Zablokovali celú cestu. No ale toto keď... Aha. Nest. Teraz mi ostane na mape. Výborne. Ale to je len druhý. Ale nevadí, potom sa sem vrátim. Teraz to je tá horda. Presne to som povedal. No čo, zoberieme ešte tento quest? Aj je tu vôbec ten quest? No dobre, poďme s ňou ešte pokecať.
How you doing, kid?
They won't let me leave.
Why would you want to leave? It's safe here.
I have to work.
Okay.
Všetko? Len toľko? Spravíme ešte tento jeden quest. Neviem to vypnúť. Strašne som zvedavý, čo bude ďalej. No, pozor. Padol na zem.
St. John, Salome Hot Springs. Talk to you there.
Yeah, Deke, I'm here.
Hey, I'm at that location where the girl was last seen. Looks like they got hit by a swarm. She was here. Oh, god damn it, swarmers.
Nedoplnil som si náboje. A nemám žiadne? Toto sám nechápem, ako som dal. Nabi. Hohoho. Obetujem radšej ešte nejaké peniažky na naftu. Ale náboje si určite potrebujem ísť dokúpiť. Úplne som na to zabudol. Môžeme ísť ešte raz naspäť teda. Ale neviem, či sa mi to len zdá, ale cez deň ich je menej. O dosť. Či?
I smell it. Gotta be getting close. Another nest. Let's go.
Zbytočne som minul pár nábojov. Pome. Kde ste? Ej. Dobre, toto bolo rýchle. Toto určite chcem. Neviem, na čo som to minul, ale to si prosím.
What do we got? I mean, might be here somewhere, right?
Kto? Save Rose.
Oh, Jesus, looks like the swarm tore him apart. Poor bastards.
Čo mám ísť hore? Počkaj, s kým máš hore problém? Zombík tam asi nevyliezol.
Rose? Rose Allen, right?
No!
Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. See, I'm not with those assholes.
No!
God damn it, I'm here to help. Tucker sent me. Wait, I said that I am here to help you.
No, you're with her. You're from the work camp.
No, I'm with Tucker. I do runs for, yeah.
They starved me. I wouldn't follow her orders, so they wouldn't feed me.
Well, I mean, it's a work camp. I mean, everyone's gotta work.
I'm not a slave. I'm not going back, do you hear me? I'd rather die out here.
Okay, god damn it. Go on.
No moc dobré meno nemá. Nikto ho nechce robiť. Ale až v ďalšej časti. Počkáme tuto, či nám zavolá teraz Tucker alebo niekto. Nech nám objasnia situáciu, čo sa vlastne teraz stalo. A keď nikto nezavolá, kým prídeme dole, tak vám to ukončím a pokračujeme na budúce. Nikto nevolá. Nikto nás nezháňa. Tak ja toto ukončím a vidíme sa pri ďalšej časti. Čaute.